Most students lose easy marks in human reproduction, not because it is hard, but because they miss small NCERT details. So in this video, I will make sure you don't make those mistakes. So now let's start with male reproductive system, very important for NEET. Reproduction ensures continuity of species. Human shows sexual reproduction, meaning male and female gametes fuse. Now, the male reproductive system has two main functions. First, production of male gamete, which is sperm, and second is secretion of testosterone. And both are equally important for NEET. Before going into deep, let's see the full system once. We have testes, duct system, accessory ducts, and penis. Now, here's what you should focus on. Students often confuse the order of duct. This is very common NEET trap. Now, this is the direct NEET question area. Testes are located in scrotum, outside the abdominal cavity. Why? Because spermatogenesis requires a temperature about 2 to 2.5 degrees lower than the body temperature. Remember this line. Temperature regulation is essential for sperm formation. Each testis is covered by a layer of tunica albuginea. It is divided into around 250 lobules, and each lobules contain 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. So this lobules, then seminiferous tubules, and where sperm formation occurs. This is where actual action happens. Seminiferous tubules are the site of spermatogenesis. They contain germ cells, which form sperms. Sertoli cells are also present there, which provide nourishment. So there is a very favorite NEET question. They often ask another name for Sertoli cell, which is nurse cell. Interstitial or Leydig cells. So outside the seminiferous tubule, we have Leydig cells. These cells secrete testosterone. Very important difference. Sertoli, support cell, Leydig, hormone cell. Students often mix this up and you do not have to do that. Now comes the most important sequence. Let's go step by step. So first is seminiferous tubule, then retitestes, then vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, and urethra. Pause this and repeat it once again in your mind because this is exact sequence that is often asked in NEET. Now, epididymis is a long coiled tube. Its function is the storage of sperm, maturation of sperm, and sperms gain motility here. Vas deferens carries sperm from epididymis. It joins with the duct of seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. This connection is important. Do not skip it. Now about some accessory glands. These glands make sperm actually functional. First is seminal vesicle, which provides fructose. In return, you can say it provides energy. Prostate glands gives out a milky secretion, and bulbourethral gland is there to provide lubrication. Quick memory trick, fructose, energy for the sperm movement. Now semen. What is semen? So semen is not just sperms, it is sperm plus seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains fructose, calcium, and other enzymes. This helps in the nourishment and movement of sperms. Now, very important, do not skip this part. This diagram can alone give you multiple NEET questions right. So, sperm has four parts in total. First is head, next is neck, then there is a middle piece, and lastly, tail. Let us understand each part clearly. Head contains nucleus, so genetic material is present here. On top, we have an acrosome layer, which help in the penetration of ovum. Can you see it here? Yeah, so acrosome is equals to penetration. Middle piece contains mitochondria. It produces ATP. So middle piece is equals to energy. So tail is equals to motility. So structure is directly linked to the function. Now about penis. Penis is external genital organ. It contains urethra and help in the transfer of sperm during copulation. Now some important need points. Now these are the points where most of the questions come. First is temperature of testes, which should be 2 or 2.5 degree lower than the body temperature. Sertoli versus Leydig cell. Sertoli cell, it means nourishment, and Leydig cell means testosterone. Duct sequence, very important. First, seminiferous tubules, retitestes, epididymis, vas deferens, and then that's your question. Now, sometimes questions are also asked from semen composition and sperm structure. If you revise these only, you can still score decent marks from the particular topic. Now, flow charts. So let's revise everything under 10 seconds, which is testes, produces sperm, then it goes to duct, then get mixed with accessory gland secretion, forms sperm, and then sperm is ejaculated with the help of penis. Actually, urethra. So if this flow is clear, the whole chapter becomes very easy. So if this helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Next, we will cover female reproductive system, which is equally important for NEET. So see you in the next video. Thank you.